Santiago and Luna's Argentine adventure. Deep in the heart of South America, a brother and sister named Santiago and Luna packed their bags. "Are you ready for an adventure, Luna?" Santiago asked, holding a map of Argentina. "Ready," she cheered. Their journey was about to begin. Their first stop was the bustling city of Buenos Aires. Tango music filled the streets. People danced with such passion and grace. "It's like the whole city is dancing," Luna whispered, mesmerized by the colorful houses in the La Boca neighborhood. Next, they flew south to a region called Patagonia. Giant, icy glaciers stretched out before them. A huge piece of ice broke off the Perito Moreno Glacier and crashed into the water with a mighty roar. In the vast grasslands known as the Pampas, they met the gauchos, Argentina's famous cowboys. A kind gaucho showed Santiago how to gently ride a horse. "You're a natural," he said with a smile. Luna, meanwhile, made a new friend, a capybara. It was the biggest rodent she had ever seen, and it was surprisingly friendly. She gently petted its head as it nibbled on some grass near a stream. Their journey then took them high into the Andes Mountains. They saw condors, giant birds with huge wingspans, soaring high above the colorful peaks of the Quebrada de Humahuaca. "They look like kings of the sky," Santiago exclaimed. They traveled north to a magnificent rainforest. The air was warm and filled with the sounds of chirping birds and buzzing insects. Suddenly, they heard a thunderous roar in the distance. It wasn't thunder, it was Iguazu Falls. Hundreds of waterfalls crashed down with incredible power, creating a misty spray that felt like rain. A beautiful rainbow arched over the roaring water. "This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen," Luna shouted. In the wetlands of Iberia, they took a boat tour. They saw Guayquería caimans sunbathing on the banks and bright blue hyacinth macaws flying overhead. It was a paradise for animals. As their adventure ended, Santiago and Luna looked at their map again. They had seen dancing cities, icy giants, vast plains, and roaring waterfalls. Argentina was a land of wonders, and they promised they would come back to explore more one day.